You've heard about the whole body benefits of the turmeric extract, curcumin. But did you know that curcuminoid compounds are what gives curcumin its health benefits? After years searching for a superior form of curcumin, our team of researchers and scientists have formulated our best curcumin supplement ever, Curcumin Elite Turmeric Extract. By combining the turmeric extract with fenugreek fibers, Curcumin Elite is over 45 times more bioavailable and provides 270 times better absorption of total curcuminoids than standard curcumin for better health benefits. And your clients can boost the whole body benefits of Curcumin Elite even further by combining it with pro-resolving mediators. This new nutritional supplement is formulated with highly purified marine oil to help promote the natural clearing of cellular debris, support healthy tissue rejuvenation, and help maintain a healthy post-inflammatory response. Give your clients a whole body health boost. Recommend adding Curcumin Elite Turmeric Extract and pro-resolving mediators to their health regimen today.